In this video tutorial, we are going to look at how to use the Immersive Reader feature in Pear Deck. Immersive Reader is the text-to-speech program developed by Microsoft that they use within their Microsoft Office programs. Pear Deck offers the Immersive Reader as part of their premium license. So if you are just using the free version, unfortunately, your students will not have access to this. But if you are a district that has the premium license of Pear Deck, as a teacher, you need to go in and turn on the Immersive Reader feature for your students. In order to do that, you go to app.peardeck.com and log in. When you click on your icon and then My Account and Settings, and you'll notice that there is a setting that's called Immersive Reader. If it is off, it will say off, and to turn it on, all you have to do is click the on button. Let's take a look and see what the student will be viewing once they have joined your Pear Deck. I'm here in my open Pear Deck, and you'll see you have the arrows. In this instance, I did set it up as a student-led versus a classroom-led or teacher-led activity, just because it's easier for me to manipulate it this way as a student. So in this example, I have my Pear Deck turned on, and the student has logged in, and this is the view that the student would see. I'm going to go on to my second arrow here, and you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner, there is a book with um, like a speaker almost there. And when you click on that, what it will do is it will take the text that was within the Pear Deck, and it will open it up in the Immersive Reader. You have a couple of options within Immersive Reader. For text preferences, if you click on that, the student will be able to adjust the text size. They can turn increased spacing on or off. There are a couple of different fonts, and there's also a couple of different themes in terms of background and text. I'm going to go back to this. If you click on grammar options, you do have the option to have your parts of speech highlighted. The students can go in and adjust the colors. And then when you turn them on, you'll notice that my nouns are in green and my verbs are in red. But the student has control of that. Reading preferences, this will tell you your line focus. It can show you one line, multiple lines, or you can turn it completely off. So it gives you the ability to have the line reader. So some students may not want to use the text-to-speech part of Immersive Reader, but they might want to have that line focus. There is a translation feature in here also. Another setting option that you have is under voice settings, and this is where you can adjust the rate of speech and also change it from female to male. So it is limited as far as that goes, as far as some of the settings go, but it does give the student some options to customize. Once the student has customized it, they just click play.
For this activity, you will Step 1, map out how many chapters you will read each week. Step 2, take either paper or digital.
And it's as simple as that. When the student is done using the Immersive Reader feature, they click on the back arrow, which is your exit, and it brings them back into their Pear Deck presentation. So if you have students that utilize text-to-speech, there is a way for them to access text-to-speech within Pear Deck presentations as long as the school district has a premium license. Hope this helps.